Tonight I am making my Campbell gaskets, and I thank you, Scarecrow. Your suggestions were great. This is what I'm trying to achieve: is a stiff gasket, and this is how I'm going to. But I wanted to just show you this because I mean it's sort of a learning curve here. First off, use a big drill, because if you use like a battery-powered drill, you're probably going to smoke it. I've already cut out the 5-inch circle. Now I've got this pilot hole, and I've also got a pilot hole in my backing material here, which makes it kind of go a little bit faster. If you tried to put it in every time, you know, into a different place, it would, well, you'd have to wear your hole through, and that's going to take some time, because the trick to doing this is not to go forward. You got to go backwards and just kind of melt your way through this stuff. This is acrylic, and so here we go. And I will say that gets pretty hot on the fingers. So this is my drill going in reverse. There we go. Like I need to go just a little bit further on this. There we go. It's kind of nice when it doesn't get stuck in there, you know, otherwise you have to use the screwdriver and all that and get it out. So then it does leave this melted edge. That cracks right off pretty well. Especially after, if it cools down a little bit, it helps. There we got it. There is one side of a Campbell gasket. And thanks again, Scarecrow. I think this idea is going to be great.